Meaning of excessively.
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 Excessively. Excessively means to an extreme or unreasonable degree. When something is done excessively, it is beyond what is necessary or appropriate. This can have negative consequences, such as damaging one's health or relationships. For example, if someone eats excessively, they may become overweight or develop health problems. If someone works excessively, it can lead to burnout and stress. Excessively engaging in activities such as drinking alcohol or using drugs can be dangerous and even deadly. Therefore, it is important to recognize when behaviors are becoming excessive and make efforts to modify them before they cause harm.